Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use templates in Google Docs. Friends, Google Docs templates helps to save time and increase productivity. So to use template, first you need to open a blank document. Now here you need to click on Files. Now click on New, and under New you will find the option from Template Gallery. Click on it. Now here you will find various options. Like if you want to make a resume, then you simply need to select the templates. Like if I want to go with this template, I simply click on it. Now here you simply need to enter your details. And can use this pre-designed template. So friends, like this you can very easily use templates in Google Docs. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.